everybody. I'm Mike from 1A Auto. I'm going to be showing you fuse locations. This is a 2015 Chevy Silverado. Pop the hood on your Chevy Silverado. Hood release is right here in the middle under the steering column. And then as you look at the truck, just go slightly to the left here. There's a little tab sticks up. Just move it to the center of the truck and lift up. The fuse block under the hood, there's actually 3 different fuse blocks. First one under the hood is on the driver's side. There's just tabs here. You pull the tabs towards the front of the car, lift up. It may stick the first time. Pull it up and out, and you can see all the different fuses. And on the bottom of the lid, there's a whole fuse map. And say one of your parking lights was giving you problems. You see parking lights here are number 28 and 29. And number 28 and 29 are located over here. You just kind of put that and you look at all the shapes and you figure out that here is 28 and 29 and you can pull them out. There is actually a fuse puller in the driver's side interior box. I'll show you that next. Under the side of the instrument panel, pull starting here and be careful with your fingernails. Pull out firmly. The first time you do it, it's very tough, and I kind of just work my way up the side. Pull firmly and it comes out. And you can see here's actually your fuse puller. This tool is very handy, and you have some extra fuses here, and you have your fuse map here. But this tool, it's kind of, you just put your finger between the little teeth. Tool is very handy. Back here on the engine box, you can take the tool, just stick it onto the fuse, grab down low next to the fuse and pull. And now to put a fuse back in, put it into the little tool, just push it down and then squeeze to release it. Okay, always make sure you put this tool back into place after you're done using it. And then to put this panel back in, put the front end diagonally first and line it up. And there's about 6 different clips. There's another fuse panel here on the passenger side, same thing. Pull firmly. And the fuse panel's right in here. And again, on the back side, there's a fuse map, and there's a bunch of empty ones, but there's things like your amp or your steering wheel controllers or your sunroof, things like that on here. And this one goes back in the same way.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1AAuto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.